Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. In this video, we're finally gonna put the 8.8 rear end into my Foxbody, okay? I'm not gonna lie, I've been pushing this back. I do not want to do this. The rear end is heavy, it's tricky getting in there, but we gotta do it. We gotta get the Foxbody running. Like I said, I got the aluminum diff cover from the Explorer. The people have spoken. We're cutting off the ears. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut straight down so it can still be flush with this. Just go straight down on each side. And then I'm gonna get the angle grinder and grind it down. That way it'll look natural. I'm also gonna put a cap on here because this is for the breather tube. And with the 8.8 rear ends for the Mustangs, your breather tube is right there. There's no point of having that and that. Just go ahead and cap this off. So let's go ahead and start cutting it.
3 days later.
You remember how I said I've been putting this off for way too long? It's been a few days later and I'm just now getting to the point of cutting off the ears. I'm slacking, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I just really dread doing this. I don't want to do this. It's already 90 degrees outside. It's gonna suck. I'm gonna at least go ahead and have it in the car or something today. Just hit 5 o'clock, so we're gonna go ahead and knock that out before it gets dark. So wish me luck, and next time you see this, the rear end should be in the car. So let's hope it's the same day and not a couple days later again. Let's go ahead and get to work. Ooh, it's in. I'm tired. And I'm not gonna lie, this rear end in here is kind of beefy. It's definitely bigger than the 7.5 rear end. Yeah, my gloves is all types of jacked up. Also, in the process of me tightening up a bolt, I ended up snapping it. Wonderful. And then this was a special bolt. But luckily, this is for the quad shock. I know I don't have to run the quad shocks, but I feel like it would help me out a little bit better with stabilizing the rear end. So this is a wheel stud that I just kind of hit in there. And yeah, it's a little bit longer, but honestly, it's holding. This is a brake caliper bracket, okay? It holds the brake caliper, right? Well, I messed up and I forgot to take off the old one so I can put my dual brake caliper set up. And the only way to take these out is you gotta pull the axle. So if I wanted to take this off, I had to take the diff cover back out, disassemble the rear diff carrier, and actually pull out the axles. And honestly, I didn't have time for all that. So I just cut it. So just a little tip, if anybody's trying to get this off and they don't feel like pulling off the axles, you can cut it with an angle grinder. Not recommended, but it worked. I'm not gonna lie, I am tired, exhausted. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this together yet. I think I'm gonna stop right here because I'm exhausted.
Many hours later.
Did y'all really think I was gonna finish this car in this video? We're about to get ready to test drive it. As you can see, it is dark outside, so there's not much I can do. I am gonna test drive it just to make sure everything is right. We'll pick up again tomorrow in the daylight, go over some things. There's some stuff that I still need to add on there, like the sway bar. I still haven't put that on there, but I wanted to go ahead and finish this stuff and at least get it to the point where I can put it on all fours. Not because the city been driving by the house multiple times, seeing the cars on jack stands, but because I've been wanting the Foxbody running for a while. So now we about to go drive it. We about to see how this 8.8 rear end is gonna feel in the Foxbody. And I want to apologize in advance because it's gonna be dark and it's also gonna be noisy. It's been a minute since I've been in this car. What we're doing is we're gonna check for leaks and we're gonna check for noises. So we'll see how it goes. I actually forgot I have the Auto 1 headlights as well. Oh yeah, that's really bright. Yeah, it's definitely welded. I also got 327 gears instead of 273 gears, so it's also a gear upgrade as well. It feels a lot better. Not even gonna lie to you, it feels great. First test drive seems very successful. Let's take a look, make sure there ain't no leaks. So that was there before. I spilled the differential fluid when I poured it in there. Let me double check to see if there's anything new. Doesn't look like anything has anything just look alarming yet. I don't think the diff cover is leaking at all. Diff cover looks fine. No, it doesn't look like anything is just dripping. At least I don't know yet. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this mess. Push up the Foxbody for a little bit, spray some degreaser and some concrete cleaner, whatever I have in there that I can use to clean all that up. I'll see you tomorrow when we actually gonna be able to drive it like how we need to drive it. So tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
That was first gear. I hate them patch of rocks. That's what it was. And now we back. So I'm not gonna lie to you, definitely got way more wheel speed than I'm used to. There's some stuff that I need to do, upgrade it, just get it nice and ready for the next drift event. I still gotta get coilovers. I still gotta get more tires. I gotta upgrade my brakes to the Mach 1 brakes now that I got Mach 1 brakes. There's a lot of stuff I need to do in such a short amount of time. I'm also thinking about getting seat brackets so the seats doesn't rock around back and forth like it did before. And also I got to figure out something because for some reason the coolant is shooting out through the cap. Not sure why. I don't know. If you know why, let me know and I'm gonna see if I can fix that as well. It doesn't run hot, it just shoots out the cap. Check out this video right here. This is the last drift event this car was at, so go ahead and check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.